Not only are we one of the best programs in the Dallas Community College District, but we're very fortunate to be here in the Dallas area, which is a hotbed for video game companies.
It's a great experience for me because I love computers and I love high-end computers.
It's not easy to make games, but in a place like Richland College, you're going to come to understand what it actually takes to become a professional game developer.
I hope that Richland can turn me into a professional animator for both game or studio.
I would say my favorite thing is when a student comes in and they know nothing about making games or producing games, and I show them a little bit of everything, and then one thing they'll take to, and they'll say, that's what I want to do. And that's our main focus here at Richland College.
Well, I actually started programming when I was 11 with a program called Game Maker, amateur game development software.
I first got interested in gaming when I was about 3 years old. I wanted to be just like my big brother, so when he would be playing video games on his Sega Genesis, he would sit down and hand me the Player 2 controller and just let me button mash away. I've been hooked ever since. I found Richland just really simple Google search. I was trying to find, good programs and everything, and this came up as one of the best programs in North Texas.
Actually, I was an international student. I live in Vietnam. And then one day, my mom decided that I could extend my potential, my major potential in America. My mom asked my uncle to find a good school for me to learn. So he said, well, Richland College is the one, because my cousin once studied here. He loved it. He missed it when he transferred to UTD.
I would say that the majority of our students that come into our program may like playing games, but they don't necessarily know what it is to develop games or what the process is there. And so when they take our intro development class, what I do is I basically take them from becoming a gamer and show them how to become a gaming professional.
Best thing to start with if you're interested in getting the video game design program is to start with the intro class, because that gives you a great overview over, you've got programming, you've got modeling, animation.
Some of the classes that we offer are character animation, character modeling, level design, programming, and concept art. And our capstone class, which is our project development class. In that class, the students all team up and we create a game in 16 weeks.
So another thing that Richland is really good at is the fact that we're very production oriented. We're getting to use this technology in an actual project environment where we've got specialized students who are going into animation, modeling, programming. They're getting to use this software and technology in an environment that simulates the industry.
There's some new technology that we've been working with, which is the Leap Motion, which not very many people have. And the fact that I get to work with the equipment that they're using in the industry right now just really prepares me for what I'm going to be doing when I graduate.
We try and stay up to date with all of the latest technology. Anytime something comes out, we buy it right away and integrate it into our pipeline and make sure our students know how to use it. First and foremost, we start off with developing on Alienware computers. We have brand new Alienware computers which are super fast. And we have all the latest software. We use Maya, Photoshop, Unreal 4 and the new Unity engine, which allows us to prototype and build games very quickly. We have Oculus Rift virtual reality goggles. Another piece of technology that we're getting in is the Virtuix Omni treadmill, which allows you to actually walk around on a treadmill, so you're walking around in a 3D game environment. Another nice tool that we have in the gaming department is our 3D printer. Last term, we actually built a board game, and our students built 3D models of characters that we printed out as game pieces, and we were able to play test that game using the actual 3D physical pieces that we produced with the 3D printer. We are getting a brand new motion capture system. It's an organic motion system. It's markerless, so you don't have to put on the suits or the little balls. All that goes away. It's state-of-the-art, and we're going to be teaching our students how to use it and exactly how the industry uses it, so that when they graduate, they can have those skills to go out and apply those in the industry.
In the field I'm going to is programming, so being able to make a 3D model move or act or interact with an environment is very interesting to me. So.
The prices here at Richland for getting a degree in gaming is just extremely more cost effective than going to like a big university and spending tens of thousands of dollars. Instead, it's just a few $100s every semester.
You can go take a few classes, figure out if you like it. If you don't, you haven't spent very much. And if you do, it really doesn't cost much to complete.
Each year, we have the Gaming and Multimedia Technology Festival, when we bring in the best possible people we can get in to talk to the students and give presentations and show off and lecture. It's cool because they get up afterwards and they're able to interact with these people, get their contact information, and if they have any questions or whatever, they can ask them. It's just really good for the students to see the professionals. Richland College is an excellent campus to be at. I mean, it's beautiful. We have a lake here, tennis courts, workout facilities, and lots of brand new buildings. It's really a gorgeous campus for the students. When they're working really hard, they can get up and they can take a break. And there's really a good sense of community here too. The students are very active and very diverse.
We're in, the technology industry. You're sitting down, you're at a computer for hours on end. But another thing that's great about the campus is, it's got trees everywhere. It's great for de-stressing to be able to walk between classes.
If there are any students that are interested in the program, they can contact me. My email is ccurra@dcccd.edu, and I'll sit down with them and discuss the entire program and see if it's a good fit for them.